Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here that's really cool and really handy for those of you guys who have a car. And you guys probably had the same issue as me sometime when I'm actually driving a car and all of a sudden you see that little option of that little green light that pops up like this. And you guys want to see like what's going on. So this product will actually help you check the reason of what is going on and where's the cause and everything just by plugging in this one product. And then you guys can actually reset it or figure out what's wrong and just fix it yourself. So that's really nice and really handy. So first thing first, let me unbox it and then show you guys what comes out the package first. So when you open the package, this is what you get inside. You get the actual scanner to actually plug it into the car. They give you an instruction guide and manual on how to set up the product and how to actually use it. And that's pretty much everything that's in product. So here we have the actual scanner and product. Let me show you guys what it looks like. You guys can see this is what it looks like. It has all the different buttons on here to actually see and control where everything is. You guys will actually be plugging this part into your car to actually check what is wrong. So the only way for us to actually find out when that works and how well it works and when that's actually worth it is to actually go plug in and test it out first. So let's go do that first and then see what happens. Alright, so here we have the plug right here. And we're going to plug in our device right here to see when that works. Alright, so you got plugged in and you guys can see that it does power it up. So you guys can check everything that's on here, like the light, car engine, the how everything's doing in the car, real-time car speed, everything here. See what else is on here. You can see the DTC lookups, system setups, language, all that stuff, unit measures, and then the system status, all that stuff to see if everything's okay. Everything seems okay. You guys can read the code, erase the code, and all that other good stuff on here, which is really cool for your diagnostic and all that good stuff. So this product does work and works really well. You guys can check out how the engine's doing and everything on here, so really cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see that it does work and show you guys everything they possibly want on this product. But now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $30, and I believe right now they have like a 10% off discount if you guys want to use the option to buy it. So this is actually a product that is really nice, but if you guys don't actually need it, then obviously don't buy it, because you guys can always bring it into like the car shop and have it fixed for you or whatever case may be. But if you guys want to see what's going on with your car and try to fix it yourself, if you guys know how to fix it, then definitely do get one of these, and then it's actually really useful in that case if you guys know how to fix it and find the cause of where it's actually happening. But since we live in a generation of where you guys can actually just Google or YouTube everything, you guys can probably just figure out yourself and probably ask for help if you guys actually do need help. If you guys actually do plan on using a lot and actually need this, then it's obviously really worth it. But if you guys don't plan on using a lot and don't actually need it, then this product is not really worth it, and you guys definitely don't need it, and save your money for something else that you guys actually do need. Other than that, that's pretty much just for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day we have